Robert Elliot Kahn, father of the Internet. I believe in the not-too-distant future, people will learn to trust their information to the Internet much more than they do now, and be able to essentially manage enormous amounts and possibly their entire lifetime of information on the net with the idea that they can access it securely and privately for as long as they want, and that it will survive all technical evolutions. You can't look into a crystal ball and see the future. What will become of the Internet in the future is what society makes of it. I can't say I'm very happy about all the spam and viruses and equivalents that we see on the Internet, but I think technology can address a lot of the problems that we see right now, whether it's filtering or whatever, and legislation might help. New capabilities emerge simply because of having smart people with access to advanced technology. I think we just have to live with the microcosm in the electronic world of things we might see in the physical world. Kahn was born in New York to parents Beatrice Pauline, née Toshker, and Lawrence Kahn in a Jewish family of unknown European descent. Through his father, he is related to futurist Herman Kahn. BEE degree in electrical engineering from the City College of New York in 1960. Kahn went on to Princeton University where he earned a MA in 1962 and PhD in 1964, both in electrical engineering. At Princeton, he was advised by. At Princeton, he was mentored by Elliot and completed his doctoral dissertation entitled Some Problems in the Sampling and Modulation of Signal. He first worked at Bolt Beranek and Newman Incorporated, then in 1972 joined the Information Processing Engineering Office (IPTO) within DARPA. While he was working on the SATNET satellite packet network project, he came up with the initial idea for what would later become the Transmission Control Protocol (TCP). In 1992, together with Vint Cerf, he founded the Internet Society, to provide leadership in Internet-related standards, education, and policy. He was elected a Fellow of the National Academy of Engineering in 1987 for research contributions in computer networking and packet switching, and for creative management contributions to research efforts in computing and communications. He was awarded the SIGCOMM Award in 1993 for visionary technical contribution and leadership in the development of information systems technology, and shared the 2004 Turing Prize with Vint Cerf, for pioneering work on Internet working, including the basic Internet communications protocols and for inspiring leadership in networking. He is the recipient of the UFIPS Harry Good Memorial Award, the Marconi Award, the ACM SIGCOMM Award, the President's Award from ACM. He is also the IEEE Computer and Communications Koji Kobayashi Award, the IEEE Alexander Graham Bell Medal, the IEEE Third Millennium Medal, the ACM Software Systems Award, Computer World/Smithsonian Award, ASUS Special Award and the Public Service Award from the Computing Research Board.